What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday. I keep forgetting what's the date, but Thursday. So basically, the fourth day of me being suspended on eBay, which is why I'm making this video. Just a quick little update. So I don't know if you guys know, but when you're suspended, I mentioned this before in my other video. So when you're suspended, they don't, whatever you're suspended for, whatever listing you were suspended for, gets taken down completely, and all your other listings get hidden away from customers, which is not the case with me for some whatever reason. I mean, it is hidden, I'm sure, because my sales did go down, but they did not stop. I am still getting sales, just not as many as I normally do. So I'm here now. Just, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and put my mask on, and then we're gonna walk into this post office really quick, and I'll show you guys how many orders I pretty much got. So give me a second here. Kind of warm outside today. Always mask on. So these are the orders: 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 of those. So, you know, good couple of sales. So let's walk into the store right quick and we'll deliver these. That's how it's done. No waiting in line or nothing. Just pay everything on PayPal. You have to send out here in this line. It's fucking hot out here today, so it is what it is. So yeah, that's what it is. So basically, that's one of the perks of doing your own shipping from home. Obviously, you can have USPS come and pick it up from you. Right now I'm on my lunch break. As you guys know, I do my videos during lunch breaks like this. But yeah, so I do all my PayPal stuff. Wait for a signal to go off on the truck. So what I do is I wait for after the PayPal stuff, it gets paid off or whatever. I basically just go on PayPal, do all my listings that way, and then I create shipping labels from there. That way, you know, I get everything stuck on there, get everything packaged. And on my lunch break, all I gotta do is just walk up straight to a counter. I don't gotta wait in line, you know, like these people do out here in the hot sun. And pretty much it is what it is. But yeah, I want to make this short little video and let you guys know, quick little update. I'm not sure what's going on. I know for a fact I'm suspended because I'm trying to post new things up. Like I said, I have a few things, like a couple of new things, excuse me, that I want to post up for this channel. Show you guys how I acquired the product, how much I'm gonna sell it for, profit, the cost of the unit, getting it shipped, and all that stuff. But it's not letting me because obviously it's saying that I'm suspended. So I don't know if the suspension just means, hey, you know, you can't post for 7 days. I don't know what the deal is with that, but yeah, just a quick little update. So I am under suspension, but yet I still am getting sales. But yeah, it is what it is, man. Thank you guys again for watching. Sorry, this was just a quick little video. Again, like and subscribe. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos that I have up meanwhile, where I do some sales and stuff like that. But I know a lot of you guys want to know exactly numbers. You know, I make these videos of me talking about how much I'm shipping, where am I getting my stuff from, how to do it, but I haven't showed you guys the numbers, and I know that's what you guys want to see. You guys want to see numbers. But yeah, we'll just do that. Let me see. You know what? I'll show you. It's on this quick little. I'll do a quick screen recording, and I'll show you guys what my average is on in 90 days. Keep in mind, this is my first year, so I've only been doing this for 4 years. I mean, I'm sorry, not 4 years, 4 months. So I'll show you guys what I've made so far in these past 4 months. Keep in mind, I do have a full-time job, and I did start eBay from nothing pretty much, and this is what I've acquired in the last 4 months. No, I am in no way showing you this to brag or nothing like that. There ain't no balling numbers. Like I said, this is just like little side money. And yeah, this, hopefully you guys just see this, and this is just, you know, just for motivation, I hope. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I've been doing. Alright guys, so here we are on my YouTube. Let me see here. Where do I go? There we go here. We're gonna go to selling, and there it is right there. Right there it shows you what I've been doing in 90 days total. That tells you how many items I've been selling. 517 items, 14 items I'm sold, and I currently have 17 items that are active. Alright guys, so yeah, that's pretty much the numbers. I didn't go too much into detail, but in a later video I will do the breakdown. So pretty much that's the end of this video. You know, thank you guys for watching. Please, if you haven't, please like and subscribe. Helps the channel out. And yeah, pretty much it. So once again, you guys, you know, thank you again, and stay safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Laters.